Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? That growling sound, called borborygmi, happens because your stomach and intestines are hard at work. When you're hungry, your brain sends signals to your digestive system to prepare for food. This triggers muscle contractions that move air and digestive juices around, creating that familiar rumble. It's your body's way of saying, hey, it's time to eat. But it's completely normal, even if it's a little embarrassing in a quiet room. When was the last time your stomach growled loudly? Share your stories in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.